In the last lecture, we learned about how to initialize any DBT project. Now we will understand what are the meaning of different folders which we are seeing inside the DBT project. As you can see, we have different folder: analysis, macros, model, seed, snapshot, test. These are the different folders. What is the meaning of these folders? We will learn in detail in later lectures. For now, I will give some high level of idea. So the most important folder which you are seeing is the models folder. It is the models folder. So whatever SQL queries you will write for creating tables will go inside the models. All the transformation logic, you can say this is the most important folder for the DBT project. Next is the seeds folder. Seed folders are used for keeping the raw files. Suppose you have some CSV file, any small file from which you want to create some table, so we use the seeds folder. Next is snapshots. So when we create some kind of snapshot, or you can say SCD2 types of table, in that case we keep the queries inside the snapshot folders. Macros again is a critical part of the DBT project. So in macros we keep all our reusable functions, or any mostly these are small functions which we use in our SQL queries. We'll discuss how we create the macros and those things. Then we have tests. So suppose you have created some data models and now you want to do the testing. So suppose you are doing some transformation and you want that column 1 should always be less than column 2, so you can define that in the tests folder. You need to create the YAML file, and based on the test condition, we will see in the later lectures how to create the test cases. Last is our analysis. Analysis is used for our ad hoc queries. So suppose there are some queries which you don't want to create tables for, or you don't want to consider as a models, so you can keep those analysis queries inside this folder. So when you will run your DBT commands, so it won't look into this folder, it will just look for the SQL files in this models folder.